back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about DIY hair color. Ito kasi DIY ko lang siya. So, if you wanna know more how I did this look or how I did this hair, just keep on watching. We're back! So, I got my hair color sa Technicolor or Suzel. Okay, ko na lang yung link dito. So, ito yung, ganito yung tsura ng packaging. It is like a dupe for Manic. So, syempre, mura lang siya, 180 lang isa. Why not get it? I was planning to get the sachet of Arctic Fox, pero parang kulang yun sa hair ko. So, ito mas mura kasi mas marami siya. Ito, enough na siya sa buong hair ko. I bleached my hair pala before using this. So, ito yung picture ko when it was bleached. Tapos, nag-purple toner din ako. So, purple toner, link ko yung seller down below. So, ginamit ko siya, in-apply ko muna siya parang hair dye. Tapos, I let it sit for 30 minutes and then I washed it. So, naging super, hindi naman brassy na yung pagka-bleach ng hair ko. So, after that, the next day, I got this package I ordered from Shopee, yung Technicolor hair color. So, I bought wine and ash purple because I was aiming for ash purple initially, but ang nangyari, I applied the wine. So, ito yung sura niya, medyo hindi pantay yung pagka-color ko. Kasi, pagka-bleach ko din, hindi rin pantay. Wala lang akong magawa lang dyan yan. Pero, okay na siya for me. Yun lang. Wala pa akong eyebrow product na mamamatch sa mga gantong color. So, ito brown lang siya sa baba. Oh. I guess it's okay, but ang nainis lang ako, walang label. Fault ko rin naman, hindi ko tinanong yung seller kung which one is one. For the pricing, okay naman siya. For 180, okay siya. Parang I can say that this is going to be a dupe for Manic. But I haven't tried Manic. I'm going to try it, see the difference, and I'll tell you after. I'll update the status of this or the description box down below. Kung mas gusto ko pa rin ba yung Manic or yung Technicolor. Vegan hair dye siya, so sabi nila it will not last that long. Unlike sa or yung mga box hair colors. So, akin okay lang yun because I really want to change this color right there. I want to lighten this up. Pag nag-lighten na to, siguro ilalagay ko to sa roots and then light color down below. Hindi naman matigas yung hair ko. Damaged na siya from bleaching, pero so far, hindi naman siya matigas na matigas. Yan. Parang medyo mas naging, I don't know, parang mas okay pa siya sa akin. Pero ang rule daw kasi sa bleaching is that yung bleach mo, yun na lang dapat yung may peroxide or yung may oxidizing lotion. Dapat yung next na color mo or your on-top color will not be as damaging as your bleach. Kasi na-damage na yung hair mo ng bleach eh. Do I like it? 5 stars, I will give it like 3 stars. Okay na siya if you're on a budget. But I will still try to look for Arctic Fox kasi daw maganda yung Arctic Fox and Manic. You really don't have to pantay-pantay ganyan. Parang nagpampantay na siya magsa. Parang gano'n. So, I will update you on my hair journey. So, yun. Thank you so much for watching. Ang ingay na ng mga dogs. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!